Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Glinda from the Wicked movie in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one. For this hairstyle, you're going to change the toggle to back, and then you're going to color it with this color. This is for the color code. And for this hairstyle, you're going to select no bangs. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room, and I'm going to use the curves item. So I'm going to go to the curves here, and I'm going to select this dress. Okay, and then we're going to choose toggle 3. Okay, and for the color, I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, you can follow this color code. Okay, just make it have the same color. And for the third selection, I'm going to make it this color. I'm going to go to the currency items, and I'm going to choose this skirt. And then we're going to remove the layer and color it with the same pink color. For this dress, don't forget to make it glitter as well. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this item, this X. I'm going to choose the no X, and for the color, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, make it this color, guys. This is for the color code. And for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the necklace and earrings area. And then I'm going to put on this earring. Okay, and for the second selection, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the shoes area, and I'm going to choose this one, this heels, and I'm going to make it pink, the same pink color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and I'm going to choose the skirt, make it pink, like this, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, just make it glitter. And sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and the last one, it's time to put on the crown. I'm gonna go back to the changing room, and then I'm going to select this crown. Okay, for the crown, I'm just going to make it pink. Oops, not this pink, but this one. Okay, you can choose this color code for the crown. Okay, you can choose this code for the crown. But for the second selection, I'm going to make it this pink. Alright. And okay guys, this is for the final result. Again, sorry for my glitter. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Glinda from the Wicked. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.